Everybody, I'm sure we're all aware that we're living, particularly in Africa, but the world over, in a very, very rapidly changing political and economic environments. There's a huge development agenda to be seen through in Africa in particular. There's new markets being formed all the time. There's lots of foreign interest and foreign investment coming into different African countries. So there's new players that we have to deal with that we hadn't had to deal with before. There's very rapid technological changes occurring. If you think, for example, in telecommunications, how these markets are changing so quickly in the recent past and will continue to do so. And all manner of people, all kinds of people, the general population, the policymakers, the politicians, the overseas investors, they are all looking to us to pave the way for this development that's happening right now. We have a very important and critical role in paving the road to African development, to getting in new investment, to getting in infrastructure development, and to improving generally the lives of our people by including them into our economies. And in a lot of our countries, a substantial number of people, a fair percentage of our population have been or are excluded from the formal economy. And I believe that competition authorities have a very, very important role in paving that way. I've no doubt that in years to come we'll look back at this event as one of the key events that might have led, that have contributed meaningfully to that agenda.